Hello friends, good morning. Today we are going to explore a very useful and important module from our own Odoo Community Association. And the purpose of this module is to handle the check deposit, and it is specifically meant for customer payment via check collection. So this module is available for free, and I am on Odoo version 18 on my local system to install and explore this module features. So once this module is installed, what you will get a check deposit menu over here. And in order to work with this as a part of process, we have to create a dedicated journal. The type has to be bank, and we can give the journal name according to our convenience. So I have given the name as check received. This account will be created by default of Odoo, but it will not be used. And in incoming payment configuration, we have to select the manual payment method, and here we have to give one separate account. The type can be a current asset type. So I have created check in hand as a separate account, which is reconcilable, which will hold this entry in between during customer check receipt and finally deposit. So with this particular setting, now let's create some of the customer invoice. So I am creating different customer invoice over here for different amount. So I am creating, let's say, 3 different invoices. Now the invoice creation is all done over here, and now I am going to collect the payment in my check receipt journal. So I am now creating full entry for this and create the payment. It will be marked as in payment, and I am repeating the same for other 2 invoice also. Check received, it can mark, but yeah, let me create one after another so that it will not merge. And now the final invoice, I am creating the payment entry by check received only. So now you can see 3 different invoices which has been registered in payment, and that payment date can be of future date. And then you can now go to check deposit over here. Okay, and then we will see how this works. So under check deposit, when I finally deposit these checks into my bank, I need to select the open check, so that check payments which are open is available over here. And before we do so, we will see how system is handling the accounting purpose. So you can see now it doesn't go to bank directly, neither it goes to any outstanding account. It goes to check in hand account by default, which will show me the number of amount which is pending clearing over here. So this is how you can see that interim check in hand account will give your financials a kind of overview how many checks need to be deposited in future based on the date it was registered. And this check in hand account will show you the balance. And then finally you go to check deposits over here. You can see payment which are hold in that, and check deposits. I am creating new deposits, and let's say I would like to deposit these 2 checks right now over here. And then I can now print this advice for our internal review purpose. It will print a nice advice with my bank account, corporate bank account number, that is our beneficiary, and the checks and reference and the amount with this slip. And then once I say validate, but before I validate, let's see over here, it is still in payment mode. And once I validate this draft check received, to validate, now it will create a journal entry which will hold the amount into bank's outstanding receipt and crediting check in hand account. So in my reporting now, check in hand interim account will clear those amount and transfer to the interim outstanding receipt account. So now in my invoice, it will be marked as paid because I have marked that as deposited done. And the final step is we will go to our bank, and before that we will see 48,000 amount was deposited by check, and we will create a transaction over here. $48,000 deposit by check, and then what we will clear this outstanding account directly from here, and then my reconciliation is done with the bank also. So this is how you can clear your transaction via this particular small module to hold check deposits or check in hand via any of your account configuration. And once you really deposit those checks, then it will clear with the bank reconciliation like this. So you can freely download this module. I will share the link of this module in my video description. If you have any query, you can reach out to us on techvaria.com or my YouTube or LinkedIn channel. Thank you guys. Good day.